Divorce may be one of the biggest challenges you'll ever face. I'm Zachary C. Ashby, a partner at Pacific Northwest Family Law. Over the past decade, I've worked with hundreds of clients going through divorce across Washington state. Divorce is sometimes necessary. It's often emotional and it's never easy. But when handled the right way, divorce can protect your family, your finances, and your future. Most people going through divorce don't know where to start. They search online, ask friends for advice, and try to piece things together. Unfortunately, much of what's online is incomplete or just wrong. Divorce affects every part of your life: your children, your home, your income, and your peace of mind. It becomes even more complicated when there are pensions, businesses, or specialized benefits like military or law enforcement service involved. A trial separation can help calm things down, but it should not mean disappearing. Stay involved with your children and maintain communication. Separation is not divorce. If you move out and stop being present, a judge may see that as a sign the other parent provides more stability. Even small decisions like where you live and how much contact you maintain can affect your case later. Another common mistake is signing paperwork before you understand your rights. Washington is a community property state. That means most assets or income earned during the marriage belong to both spouses, even if only one person's name is on the title or the paycheck. The title on a house or a business doesn't decide ownership. When and how it was purchased does. I've seen people sign away their rights to retirement benefits or pensions they didn't realize could be divided. Those benefits, including military, law enforcement, or even railroad pensions, often belong to both spouses. You should never sign anything until you understand what you may be giving up. Another mistake is agreeing too early just to end the conflict. Sometimes couples make short-term agreements that don't account for the future. A parenting plan that works for now may not fit once school or work schedules change. Or one spouse agrees to let the other stay in the house for a while, planning to sell it later, but there's no written timeline or process. These agreements may seem practical at the time, but they often cause years of frustration. Courts don't easily change parenting plans without a major change in circumstances, and unclear property terms can tie up money and equity indefinitely. Quick agreements solve today's problems but can create bigger ones tomorrow. Some attorneys are overly aggressive. They fight every issue, whether it helps or not, and can run up costs quickly. Others are too passive. They wait for the court or the other side to act instead of setting direction. Both approaches are risky. A good attorney should be strategic, assertive when needed, but focused on long-term results. You need someone who plans, communicates, and keeps your goals in view. The final mistake is starting the process without preparation. Preparation doesn't start with forms, it starts with information. Gather your bank statements, tax returns, credit reports, and retirement account summaries. Make sure you have information about your children's schools, teachers, doctors, and schedules. The more information you can provide, the better your attorney can protect you. In family law, facts and documentation matter more than opinions or assumptions. Divorce isn't just about ending a marriage. It's about making clear, informed decisions that will shape the next stage of your life. At Pacific Northwest Family Law, we help clients understand their rights, their options, and the consequences of each decision. We don't encourage unnecessary fighting, but we also don't settle cases too early. Our goal is to help you make choices that are fair, enforceable, and financially sound. When you have the right information and a clear plan, you can get through divorce with stability and confidence. If you're considering divorce, don't rush to file or sign paperwork. Start by gathering information and asking questions. An experienced family law attorney can help you understand your options and avoid costly mistakes. At Pacific Northwest Family Law, we believe divorce should be handled with preparation, clarity, and integrity. Let's make a plan that protects your family and your future.